how to add email to your page. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add email to your page on Facebook app, easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook, click on it, and here click on those three lines up there and go to your page on Facebook. Now all you need to do is click on the setting icon beside the search icon and click on page info. In here, scroll down and you're gonna find add email. Click on it. You have enter email, click on it and write your email address on. They will send you on your email a confirmation to confirm that is your email. If you are done, just click on save and enter the code. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.